Welcome. If you're looking to create a brand new invite link for your Telegram group using Telegram Web on your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest update, the process is straightforward and secure, giving you full control over who can join your group. Let's walk through each step together. First, open your browser and head to Telegram Web. If you're not already logged in, enter your phone number and the verification code to access your account. Once inside, locate the group for which you're an admin. You can scroll through your chat list or use the search bar at the top to find it quickly. Click on the group to open the chat window. At the top right corner, you'll see 3 vertical dots. This is your menu for group management options. Click on these dots, and from the drop-down, select Edit. This will take you to the settings page for your group. Now look for the section labeled Invite Links. This is where all your group's invitation links are managed. Click on Invite Links to see your current active links and the option to create a new one. To generate a fresh invite, simply click on Create a new link. Telegram will instantly generate a unique link for your group. This link can be shared with anyone you want to invite, and you can manage its permissions or revoke it at any time. Before the link becomes active, Telegram will ask you to confirm this step. Review the information, then click Confirm. Your new invite link is now ready to use. You can copy it to your clipboard and share it with your community, friends, or colleagues. That's all it takes. With just a few clicks, you've created a brand new invite link for your Telegram group using Telegram Web on your PC. This update makes managing your group's privacy and membership easier than ever. Give it a try today and keep your group growing safely and efficiently.